Welcome to our deep dive. I'm Mike.
And I'm Mia. Today, we want to help you.
Yes, we want to help you practice speaking English better.
This deep dive is for you, the learner.
We will speak very slowly and very clearly.
So you can practice shadowing. You can repeat what we say.
We looked at many ways to learn, and one technique is very, very powerful.
It's called shadowing.
Shadowing. Okay, let's talk about that. What is shadowing?
It's a great question. Shadowing is a powerful tool. It helps your speaking and your listening at the same time.
How does it work?
Well, the idea is simple. You listen to someone speaking English, and you try to repeat exactly what they say.
Ah, okay, so you copy the speaker.
Exactly. Not just the words. You copy the sound, the speed, the tone, and the rhythm.
Right, and you don't stop to think in your own language.
No, you don't translate. You don't look at a dictionary. You just follow the voice, like an echo.
I see, so this trains your mouth and your brain.
Yes, it helps them work together in English. It's about the rhythm.
That makes sense. It might feel a bit strange at first, maybe.
It can, yes. But if you do it often, maybe just 5 minutes a day, you will start speaking faster and more naturally.
Wow, just 5 minutes. That's a small habit.
A small habit with big results for your confidence.
Okay, great. So let's talk about simple steps, things you can do every day.
Yes, steps that fit into a busy life.
You can practice English every day. You don't need to live in an English-speaking country.
Okay, let's make this real. Let's talk about the weekend. What are your plans this weekend?
This weekend, well, I plan to relax. I think I will clean my house.
Okay. Cleaning.
Yes. And when I clean, I always listen to English.
That's our first tip, right? Tip number 1, listen to English every day.
Exactly. Listening is, well, it's the most important step.
Why is it so important?
It helps you hear the real rhythm of English, the music of the language.
And it trains your ears to understand faster.
Yes. You don't need to understand every single word. Just let the sound wash over you. Let the rhythm sink in.
Okay. So what can people listen to?
Oh, many things. Podcasts like this one, English music, YouTube videos.
Short stories, news for learners.
Yes, all good ideas.
And it doesn't take long.
No, just 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Or maybe 15 minutes a day. That's enough.
Like background music while you do other things?
Exactly. Let English be your background music.
Okay, that sounds nice. What about you? What are your plans?
Me? Well, I want to get better at English. So, this weekend, I will listen to some videos, simple ones, and then I will shadow them.
Perfect. That's tip number 2. Shadow what you hear.
Right. Use your voice.
Yes. After you listen to a short sentence, maybe just a few words, repeat it, say it out loud right away.
And you try to copy the voice.
Yes. Copy the voice, match the rhythm, match the tone.
Okay. So listening is the foundation. And shadowing is like building the house.
That's a good way to think about it. Yes, doing shadowing every day makes your speaking smoother.
And your pronunciation clearer, too, I imagine.
Definitely. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just practice.
Okay. Practice. Let's do that now.
Good idea. Let's practice together. Mike will say a sentence. Please, you, the listener, listen carefully. And repeat the sentence after Mike. Ready?
Okay. First sentence. Listen and repeat. I listen to English every day. Pause 5-7 seconds.
Good. Next one.
Shadowing helps me speak better. Pause 5-7 seconds.
Keep going.
I am improving little by little. Pause 5-7 seconds.
And the last one?
We are learning English together. Pause 5-7 seconds.
Very good. That was great practice. Remember to do that often.
Okay. So we listened. We shadowed. But what happens when we need to speak and our brain feels slow, like it's translating from our first language?
Yes. The translation delay. That's a common problem. It really slows you down.
So what can we do?
This brings us to tip number 3. Start thinking in English.
Thinking in English. That sounds difficult.
It can be at first because we naturally want to translate. It's a habit.
Right. So how do we break that habit?
You start small with very short, simple sentences in your mind.
Like what? Give me an example.
Okay. When you wake up, maybe you think, it's morning.
Okay.
Simple.
Or maybe, I need coffee.
I think that one a lot.
Me too. Or if you go outside, maybe you think, the air is cold.
Or, I see a dog.
Exactly. Very simple thoughts. But this helps your brain connect directly to English. No translation needed.
I see. It builds a faster path, thought to English word.
Precisely. You can even whisper the thoughts later when you feel more comfortable.
Okay, thinking helps the brain. What about helping our our speaking muscles. I like reading on the weekend, but I usually read silently in my head.
Reading silently is good, yes. It builds your vocabulary.
Yeah.
But tip number 4 is even better for speaking. It's reading aloud.
Reading aloud, why is that better?
Because it's like exercise
Mhm.
for your speaking muscles. It helps your mouth, your tongue, and your brain work together to make the sounds.
Ah, like going to the gym for your mouth?
Exactly. A speaking workout.
So what should I read aloud?
Just something short and simple. Maybe a children's book or a dialogue from a podcast like this one.
Okay, and how should I read it? First, read it slowly, very clearly. Then maybe read it again, a little faster, with more feeling, more expression.
Like I'm an actor.
Yes, have fun with it. It really helps fluency and confidence too.
Great tip. Okay, we have listening, shadowing, thinking, reading aloud. What's next?
The last set of tips. Tip 5 is about using English in your daily life in small, easy ways.
Making it part of your routine, not just study time.
Right. Let's call it everyday English habits.
Okay, what's the first habit?
Well, we all use our phones a lot, right?
All the time.
So a very simple step. Change your phone language to English.
Oh, that's clever.
You see English words many times every day. Settings, airplane mode, download.
You learned without trying. Passive learning.
Exactly. It's very helpful.
Okay, what else?
Another easy habit, write a short diary in English.
Every day.
Yes, but keep it super simple. Just 3 short sentences about your day.
Like, I went to work.
Perfect. Or, I was very tired.
I drank 2 cups of coffee.
Yes, those simple sentences build your basic structure. Very useful.
Okay. Phone in English. Short diary. What's next?
This one is really good for confidence. Record yourself speaking.
Record myself. Like on my phone.
Just for 1 minute every day. Talk about your day, your plans, your feelings, anything.
Does anyone else hear it?
No, it's just for you. Don't worry about mistakes. When you listen back, you start to hear your own patterns, your common mistakes.
And then I can fix them.
Yes, you become your own teacher. It really builds confidence and helps fluency.
I like that. Okay. Another habit.
Connect with other learners. Find an online group, maybe on WhatsApp or Telegram, or an app like Tandem.
And talk to people.
You can read what they write, send short messages, maybe short voice notes later. It makes English feel alive, real, not just a school subject.
Good point. It becomes communication.
And one last small habit. Watch short videos.
Like on TikTok. Or Reels.
Yes, or short YouTube clips
Yeah.
about topics you like. Food, daily life, hobbies.
And what do I do with the videos?
Watch the same short video maybe 2 or 3 times, then pause it. Repeat some sentences aloud. Try to copy the sound, the speed.
Like mini shadowing practice.
Exactly. Shadowing in action, using real short content.
Okay, these are all great practical tips.
The main idea is this. English shouldn't feel like extra work or homework. Turn small daily actions into English practice.
Right. So instead of saying good morning in my language,
Say it in English.
or when I write my shopping list,
Write it in English. Milk, bread, apples.
these small actions add up.
They do. Every day, these small actions build strong habits, confident speaking habits.
Well, this has been really helpful. A clear plan.
We hope it helps you, the listener. You have the steps now.
You don't need to study for hours and hours.
No, you just need to begin. Start small. Remember, regular shadowing practice will help you speak more confidently, more naturally.
Make English part of who you are, not just something you study.
Okay, so here is a final challenge for you right now.
Listen to this deep dive again soon, maybe right after this.
And this time, try to repeat the words right along with us. Shadow us.
Yes. Practice those sentences we did in the exercise again.
And here's a final thought to leave you with. Remember tip 3. Thinking in English.
The simple thoughts.
How fast can you change your very next thought right now from your language into simple English?
Like, I am listening, or this is interesting.
Yes. Try to hold that simple thought in English just for 1 minute. Start now.
Great job today. Keep practicing. It really works.
Yes, it does. We'll see you in the next deep dive. Bye.
Bye, everyone.